Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and today we can check the speaker sound quality test. So I will play this no copyright music from audio library channel on YouTube on the maximum quality. So just listen how it sounds. So as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound in the smartphone, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.